Righto, here we have a 200 series 2UZ crossover. The crossover needs to be shortened 65 millimeters. The cuts on the crossover need to be very vertical straight, and then it's welded back together. Here we have the piece cut out of the crossover. We will discard this middle section right here. I recommend sandblasting the crossover before welding. Try to get out all of the old coolant residue, which can make your weld not the best. Here we have the crossover. After a sandblast, I like to sandblast inside and the outside. I then clean some of the oxidization off around where I'm going to weld to allow the welder not to work as hard, and we'll get on to the next step. So I've supported the crossover with some magnets to the welding table, just to make it easier. You do it your way. We'll be welding it with just a 200 amp welder on AC with a 50-50 balance at about 112 amps. After a few tacks, you don't need to actually use magnets or anything to brace it up, just then get on with welding it all closed. And here it is, all welded up. We do offer this service free with the purchase of our 2UZ Supercharger kits. All we ask is that you just pay the shipping to get it to us and back, and we don't mind doing this to your crossover free of charge. Here's the part finished and ready to go back into your Landcruiser. Just like to say thanks for watching. If you need any help, just give us a call here at Bullet.